fortune to the elephants and rhinoceroses over in Africa.
Yep, we're happy for that.
But the illegal ivory trade, as you know, continues right up to this day. Now, we're currently cruising in an area of water called the Old Steamboat Channel. We call it the Old Channel because the main navigation channel follows the river's eastern bank. We'll be entering that soon enough. And that was dredged in the 1930s as part of Franklin Delano Roosevelt's New Deal program. And we call this the Steamboat Channel because this is where the Grand River steamers would come through, stopping at Teep River Landing to load and discharge passengers and cargo. Now, these riverboat steamer trade lasted from 1830 to about 1931. So just